Today I will see you in our beautiful, gorgeous and outstanding, different, amazing Christmas home decoration ideas. Most beautiful, stylish, different, outstanding Christmas home decoration ideas in this video. It's a very beautiful, amazing, different jute burlap ideas and Christmas home decoration ideas. So one by one beautiful stylish ideas you can watch this video, and please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos. All ideas is very amazing and creative. It's a very beautiful, amazing, outstanding, eco-friendly ideas. Burlap or jute, amazing, outstanding and very creative color combination. This idea is very amazing and very creative. When you decorate your home with your own hands, you don't just create beauty, you create emotions, warmth, and unforgettable memories. Handmade Christmas decorations bring life into your home. They are not just craft, they are little pieces of your heart hanging on the walls. A jute rope Christmas wreath wrapped in soft burlap and tiny red berries brings a natural warmth that no store-bought item can match. Always start your decor with love. The more love you pour into your crafts, the more magical your space will feel. Add fairy lights around your mirrors, shelves, and windows. Let every corner twinkle like a star in the winter sky. Burlap stockings, hand stitched with golden thread, give a rustic charm that feels both cozy and luxurious. So friends, don't worry about perfections, worry about connection. Each handmade item carries a soul, your soul. You can use only glass jars, wrap them with jute and glitter, and turn them into glowing candle holders. Simple yet stunning. A little snow effect using white cotton or salt on window seals can make your home look like a winter fairy tale. Christmas is not just about red and green. Try gold, white, and rustic brown for a magical forest vibe. Always decoration your dining table with warmth. Our lip runners, some pine cones, and candles make a heart-touching setup. Don't throw away old ornaments. Repaint them, you reuse them, and give them a second life this Christmas. Handmade jute bells tied with red ribbons look beautiful on doors and bring positive festive energy. Add cinnamon sticks and dried oranges into your decor. They not only look beautiful but smell heavenly. Remember, Christmas decor is not about showing off, it's about sharing love, laughter, and light. You can make a cozy Christmas corner with a small chair, a knitted blanket, and a cup of cocoa, your peaceful little world. Create DIY snow globes using mason jars, a small tree, fake snow, and water with glitter inside magic in a jar. Lighting is everything. Add warm golden tones instead of harsh white lights for a softer magical glow. Don't forget the kids. Let them help in a small craft. It teaches them creativity and family bonding. A handmade star made from twigs or rope can be the centerpiece of decor. Simple but meaningful. Nature is your best craft supply. Collect pine cones, dry leaves, and twigs. They all add a beautiful earthy texture. Add handwritten tags on gifts. Your words will mean more than expensive wrapping wrapper paper even ever could. Create a gratitude and small notes of what you're thankful for this year. A soul of soulful decoration. Use burlap and lace together for a perfect balance of rustic and elegant decor. Christmas is the time to declutter. Decorate your space with simplicity and intention. Add snowflakes cut from paper on your windows. Handmade charm is always magical. Decorate your home's entrance with a glowing wreath. It welcomes blessing and good energy. Reuse your jute ropes from old projects. Turn them into Christmas stars of small trees. Using creative burlap jute rope and different Christmas craft designs. This jute wreath is simple but full of love. Each rope twist feels like a warm hug of winter. So friends, add a little red bow to make it shine, and it's not just decoration, it is a handmade smile. Small things make Christmas special. So burlap and jute together create magic. They tell the story of nature and warmth. When you decorate with natural crafts, peace fills the room. Let your home smell like rope and cinnamon. This is the beauty of simple living. A small bottle snowman brings happiness to the table. Its cute hat and scarf make everyone smile. Crafts like this spread joy to little hearts. Decorate love and feel the season. Christmas is love made visible. Santa bottle design looks so jolly and fun. Their red robe shines like festive energy. Add cotton for his braid, soft and kind. When you make it smile and little more. That's the secret ingredient, your happiness. Rustic jute ornaments look peaceful, and hang them near fairy lights and watch them glow. Every piece shows your creativity. It's not about perfection, it's about feeling. Crafting is like therapy with a sparkle. A burlap bow on the Christmas tree looks elegant. It reminds us that beauty can be simple. Use what you have, ribbons, rope, love. Every note carries emotion. Decorate with your heart, not just your hands. Jute rope bottles with fairy lights feel dreamy. The soft light spirits cozy vibes. It's perfect for winter evenings with tea. Nature and sparkle together create charm. Handmade decor always tells the story. Bottle Santa crafts are pure joy. His little belt and hat bring magic to corners. You don't need expensive items to make art. You need patience and a smile. That's the real Christmas spirit. A snowman made from jute bottles is unique. You can paint small eyes and buttons, add a red scarf from leftover fabric. Even simple ways turns into wonder. Creativity is a gift from the heart. Rustic burlap wreaths look vintage and classy. Tie pine cones and tiny stars around. Let the scent of pine fill your room. This is how nature decorates your soul. Simple crafts bring deep peace. Mini ornaments with jute and lace look soft. You can hang them on tree, branches or windows. Each one shines in its own quiet way. They remind us beauty lives in calmness. Christmas whispers, not shouts. A bottle dressed like Santa brings slaughter. Add buttons, cotton beard and red hat. Kids will love its funny face. Decor makes memories that last long. Every love is a Christmas blessing. Jute rope stars are easy to make. Just twist and glue with golden thread. Hang them over candles or wreaths. They sparkle without glitter. Natural beauty is the best decoration. Burlap snowflakes wall hanging looks divine. Add white paint or glitter from charm. It feels like winter's love frozen in art. Crafts like this warm your heart because handmade things carry emotion. A jute wrap candles jar feels magical. When light glows through the rope, it's beautiful. Add cinnamon sticks or dry oranges around. It smells like Christmas dreams, warm, cozy, and pure happiness. Santa's Claus craft is always fun. Use red fabric, jute rope, and small buttons. Hang it near your Christmas tree. It makes everyone smile. Festive heart shines brighter than fairy lights. Burlap ribbon garland adds country charm. It's simple yet so beautiful. Wrap it across doors and stairs. Home feels alive with love and craft. That's the real Christmas feelings. A jute bell ornament looks antique. You can shape it easily with rope. Paint it gold or leave it natural. It rings softly in the wind. Old style crafts never fade away. Bottle snowman family looks adorable. Make 3 bottles or different size. Add scarves, hats and buttons. It's like a happy snow family at home. Spirit warmth even in cold days. Rustic burlap angles look heavenly. You can make wings with lace or rope. Add a small bead for the face. They bring peace to every corner. Angels made by love, not factory. So friends, Christmas wrapped with pine cones smell fresh. Burlap stocking look timeless on wall. Jute rope trees look perfect on side tables. Bottle crafts make your space glow softly. Every handmade piece carries emotion. Christmas is not about cost but care. When you wrap gifts with jute, they feel real. Add little stars and berries for texture. Burlap bows on gifts look vintage. Warm light and rope craft perfect combo. Handmade ornaments feel alive. Add a personal touch in every piece. Jute hearts on Christmas trees look cute. Bottle Santa near candles looks magical. Use eco-friendly material, nature smile. Burlap and lace, beauty in contrast. Red tell the story of togetherness. When you decorate with love. Jute snowflakes sparkle under fairy lights. Bottle craft make all things new again. Creativity is the real celebration. Santa Claus decor brings fun for kids. Burlap flowers add soft beauty to wreaths. Keep your heart happy while crafting. Every handmade piece holds up prayers. Jute rope reindeer look playful. Candle bottles add peace of nights. Burlap Christmas trees spirit calm. Add bells for careful sounds. Decor corner with joy and kindness. So one by one, latest, beautiful, stylish, different, outstanding crafting ideas. You can watch these videos. Rustic designs bring comfort and style, and burlap stars shine with simplicity. A rope wreath feels timeless and pure. Snowman bottle crafts makes kids giggle. Add glitter lightly, elegance stays. Use soft lights, they bring peace. Burlap hearts mean handmade love. Christmas decor is art with soul. Jute angels remind us to be kind. Simple craft, beautiful memory. Every robe twist is your effort shining. Burlap bows on jars look pretty. Use leftover fabric. Nothing goes waste. Bottle snowman greet guests sweetly. Add soft music while you craft. Let your hands follow your heart. Jute rope stars brighten dull walls. Burlap flowers bring gentle warmth. All amazing, creative, and very creative latest jute and burlap craft ideas in this video. Bottle Santa loves with lights and round make every craft with positive energy. Rupel sings with joy. Christmas decor feels like poetry. And tiny lights feel the glow. Burlap garlands wrap around memories. Snowman bottles hugs are pure joy. Jute rope crafts tell silent story. Burlap hearts whisper peace. Every handmade piece is a prayer. Crafting connections, hands and hearts. Love your work, it shows in the result. Christmas is about giving and smiling. Keep creating, the world needs your light. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. So friends, this jute wreath is made with love. Each rope twist feels like a warm hug of winter. Add a little red bow and let it shine softly. It is not just a decoration, it's a handmade smile. Small things make Christmas truly special. Burlap and jute together create magic of simplicity. They tell story of nature and warmth of hands. When you decorate with natural crafts, peace fills the room. Let your home smell like rope and cinnamon dreams. This is the beauty of simple living. A small bottle snowman brings instant happiness. Its tiny head and soft make hearts smile. Crafts like this spirit joy in little corners. Decorate love and joy the season. Christmas is love made visible. Santa bottle craft looks so jolly and bright. The red rope shines like pure joy. And add a cotton beard, soft and kind. When you make it, smile and little more. Your happiness is the real decoration. Rustic jute ornaments bring calmness, hang them near fairy lights and watch them glow. Every piece carries your creativity. It is not about perfection, it is about heart. Crafting is therapy with a sparkle. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. And do let me know which different craft ideas you would like to see in the next video. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. It's a different, amazing, highly demanding and very creative rustic burlap jute craft ideas. Thank you so much. And thanks for watching my videos. Take care and goodbye. Please subscribe my channel. Take care.